pores. For a healthy glow, say hello.
Ow.
What's down your shirt, Alex?
Available at Macy's.
Animals? Animals were down your shirt? How did they get there?
I want you to show me the way.
Did you put the animals down your shirt?
On your kids. So teach them the life lesson of cooking.
Is
Join
that a
Advanced
sheep?
Beginners
Is that a cow?
Advance.com.
No.
Wanna join the Mile High Club?
Yeah? Yeah?
Now anyone can join the Mile
You put the
High
animals down your shirt?
Introducing
Why?
The Mile High Bacon Thick Burger. Hardee's and Carl's Jr.
Down your shirt? But why are you putting them down your shirt? Yeah?
The conversion, I was actually kind of bummed.
You're not gonna let that happen again, right?
Never again.
Never again.
You are stretching the heck out of those PJs.
What do you do when a neighbor is making like a lot of noise at 3 o'clock in the morning? I mean,
Why are you putting them down your shirt, Alex? Yeah? What's still down there? Oh, the sheep's still down there? Can you get it out?
Do you need some help? Do you need Dada to help you get them out? Here, let's watch this.
I'm gonna put another one down there.
Do you need help getting them out? Here, Daddy, help you get them out. Did Daddy get them out? Daddy get them all out? I think so.